If you can hang a picture, you can hang your roller shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these 4 simple tools and let's get started. All rollers have the same basic parts, the shade itself and the necessary mounting hardware. Today, we're installing a roller shade with an included cassette head rail, as you can see here. Depending on the type of shade you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different. That's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. One of the reasons people like roller shades is that they're so easy to put up. All you have to do is screw in the brackets and click the head rail into place. Most roller shades with exposed head rails can be side mounted as well. But with a cassette like this, you can only install it on the top. Depending on the width of your shade, you want to place your brackets 2 to 4 inches from each side. So just make a little mark there, making sure they're aligned. Then, take your bracket and align the front of it flush with the top inside edge of the window frame so the back tab faces down. Use the pilot holes in the top of the bracket and mark where the 2 screws will go. Measure between your marks to make sure they're aligned. Before actually drilling in the screws, it's a good idea to pre-drill the holes to make it easier to put them in. Place the bracket over the holes and drill the screws in loosely. This gives you a little wiggle room for any adjustments to make sure the brackets are straight and aligned properly. Once the brackets are lined up, finish drilling the screws in all the way. Now, we're going to put the cassette on the brackets. See this little groove on the top? That's where the brackets will snap onto it. Grasp the cassette so the front of the shade is facing you, and rest the front of the cassette on the top lip of the brackets. Then, push the bottom front of the head rail firmly back toward the window until it catches on the back of the brackets and snaps into place. That's it. Now just pull the shade up and down a few times to make sure everything looks and works right. If you need to remove your shade, raise it fully into the cassette first. Reach up underneath and press on the back of the bracket, which acts as a release tab. Or to make sure you don't break a nail, just slide the flathead of your screwdriver up there to release the head rail. Then, just lift the cassette off the brackets and out of the window. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new roller shades from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any help with your product, please see the install guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.